Piri residents demand police investigation in the escalating gangsterism issue, where residents of Piri marched to the Morocco police station this morning to deliver a memorandum outlining their demands regarding residing crime in the community. Now, they expressed that the gangsterism has taken a firm grip on their lives, resulting in the deaths of many young people. The community is calling for significant police investigation into the issue and is also probing or proposing that the establishment of recreational activities for the youth to help keep them out of the streets.
Uphume ngobuningi bawo umphakathi wasePhiri eSoweto njengoba beqhubeka imashi yokulwisana nobugebengu okubika ukuthi budla lubi kule ndawo. Umholi womphakathi uthi ubugebengu sebuphenduke insakavukela umchilo wesidwaba.
I think it's critical that we intensify in terms of safety too, starting there, as we have identified our key issues. With the hope of to deliver a memorandum today that has a stipulation of what is requested from us as Abahlali, because I believe the root cause it begins ekolweni.
Uphetheke ngokugqamisa ukubaluleka kwabaholi ukusondeza eduze intsha.
Guidance number one, we're lacking in terms of leadership, ne directive nje ekwazi ukuthi baguide labantwana. Principalities you find ukuthi from nje, because it's a social background, nama issues that are related to your family. The family structure on its own is questionable because you find ukuthi the absent fathers, abekho abobaba, we have early teenage pregnancy. You find ukuthi umntwana already sekayi parent, yabo. You find ukuthi nje kuma structures efamily nje akubanjiswananga kahle.
Lo mphakathi ngenkathi ukhuluma nabezindaba zeSoweto TV uveza ukuthi awusazizwa uphephile neze njengoba ungenelwa ezindlini, kanjalo nothisha bayakhala ngokuziphatha okungekuhle kwabafundi. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginokulunga Mthembu ngisePhiri.